will talk about how can you add payment methods on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Sorry. So you click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you go down here, you will find here or accept payments. It's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. You select your business location, then you click on confirm. And here if you want to link with PayPal or manually here your bank, or here can you add more payment options. And so thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by